Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with a blinking power button on your HP laptop, you're not alone. It's a common issue that can stem from simple problems like a low battery or something more complex like hardware glitches. In this video, we'll walk through easy, step-by-step fixes to get your laptop up and running again. Let's dive right in. First off, the blinking power button often indicates a power-related problem. Start by checking your battery. Plug in your charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. If the light stops blinking, great, your battery was just drained. But if not, move on to the next step. Next, try a hard reset. Shut down your laptop if it's on, unplug the charger, remove the battery if possible, and hold down the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. This can clear temporary glitches. Reconnect everything and power it up. Has that fixed it? Awesome. If the problem persists, it's time to check for overheating. Make sure your vents are clean and free of dust. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow out any buildup, and avoid using your laptop on soft surfaces like beds that block airflow. Now, let's tackle software issues. Update your drivers and BIOS through the HP support website. Download the latest versions for your model, install them, and restart your laptop. This often resolves blinking problems caused by outdated software. If you're still seeing the blink, run the HP PC hardware diagnostics by pressing F2 or ESC during startup. It can identify any hardware faults. In some cases, the issue might be with a faulty power adapter or internal components. If none of these steps work, it's best to contact HP support or visit a certified technician. Remember, safety first. Always handle your laptop carefully to avoid further damage. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to fix that annoying blinking power button. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.